bringing you info at the speed of now. What's today's instant insight?
Yes, Subaru has addressed the head gasket failures in their engines. They acknowledged the issue, common in early 2000s models, and implemented design changes in later models to improve durability and reduce the likelihood of failure. Owners are encouraged to monitor their vehicle's performance and follow maintenance guidelines strictly to prevent potential issues.
Your daily dose of discovery ends here, but the journey of learning never stops. Subscribe and join us again for more answers tomorrow.